Hey guys.
All right, so here's my overview. Could you please?
Yeah.
Here's my overview for the centroid. Okay. So here's a triangle. Triangle A, B, V. I purposely picked V because V is the vertex. There you go. Okay. C is the centroid, and M is the midpoint because a midpoint to a vertex. Everybody remember what that's called?
Bisector.
Nope. Midpoint to a vertex. What do we call that?
Median.
Close.
Median.
Median. This is the median. Okay. We're talking about the median. So always, 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 from the side to the centroid, that's going to be the smaller part of the median. So here's your median. So the smaller part, we're going to call it smaller part, right there. The larger part is from the vertex to the centroid. So from the centroid to the vertex right here, that's the larger part of the median. So if you understand, this is always smaller, this is always bigger. I'm going to call that the smaller part, larger part. And then this is the whole median. So if you're going to compare part to part, the smaller part is 1/2 the larger part. So from M to C, the smaller part, it equals 1/2 of C to V, the centroid to the vertex. So MC equals 1/2 CV. The larger part is twice the smaller part. So the larger part, CV, equals twice, 2 times, MC, the smaller part. That's one way of doing it. The other way is part to whole. So we're going to compare a part of the median to the whole entire median. So if I'm talking about the smaller part of the median, this guy is 1/3 of the whole median. So this piece is 1/3 the whole thing. So I would say MC, from M to C, is 1/3 M to V, the whole way. Questions? The whole median is 3 times the smaller part. It's basically, if you reverse it. If I wanted to get rid of 1/3, I'd multiply 3 to both sides. So if I multiply 3 on this side, I'm left with MV, and 3 times MC. So the whole thing is MV, is 3 times the smaller part. You can also compare the larger part to the whole thing. So the larger part is 2/3 the whole thing, and the whole median is 3/2 or 1.5 of the larger part. And I set that up similarly. I'll give you a quick example. So if MC is 10, what is CV and what is MV? So to do this, you take MC. What is MC?
10.
No, what is it? Is it the whole median, the larger part, or the smaller part?
Smaller
part. So I'm going to say MC, which is the smaller part, equals, we can either say compare it to the whole thing or compare it to the part. What do you want to do?
Whole part.
The whole thing?
Yes.
The whole part. Either part or whole. Let's do the whole thing.
You could.
The smaller one is 1/3 of the whole thing, which is MV. So this is the whole thing. So if you could write down the expression MC equals 1/3 MV, then you can plug it in and solve. So 10 equals 1/3 MV. How do I get rid of the 1/3?
Multiply it.
Times 3 on both sides. So 30 equals MV. That's 30. How could you figure out CV now?
20.
How do you know?
Top secret.
Yeah, the whole thing's 30, subtract 10, that's got to be 20. We could have done it the other way. We could have said that MC is 1/2, the larger one, which is CV. So that would be MC is 1/2 CV. MC is 10, 1/2 CV multiplied by 2. 20 equals CV. You could do it either way. So if MV is 30, you can say 30 minus 10. So MV minus MC is CV, so that's 20. Or you could do it this way. Yep.
If you find out CV first,
You
then
can add them together,
add
find the whole
together
thing.
to find MV.
Yep.